My New Year's outfit of the night, and it's just this sexy dress that I got from Fashion Nova. I'm not sure if they have it anymore. The shoes are from Fashion Nova also. These are the brown suede. I will put the description in the link below, and the dress is also from Fashion Nova. I got this dress a while ago, just never wore it. It's black. It has a zipper that zips all the way up, all the way down, so you can wear it into a high split, or you can wear it all the way down if you like. However you want to wear it. I prefer to wear it into a high split because it's more sexy to me. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day, and I'm gonna pair this outfit with my black Jessica Simpson's purse. It's just this regular black purse that I got for Christmas. And yeah, so that is my outfit of the day, guys. I hope that you like. Hi guys. So I'm filming from my camera, and I'm having the hardest time doing my story time. I just did a makeup video. I did outfit of the night, and I'm getting very discouraged on trying to do a story time because I'm having the hardest time with my camera. But I will go get me a new disc so I could do a story time video for you guys, and I hope that you like it. It's gonna be about cheating ex, and yeah, so I'm just gonna say that, and I'm gonna leave the rest for you guys to just check it out later on whenever I upload the video. Maybe tomorrow I will redo it, but tonight just was not my night. Yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoy your night or your morning wherever you are, and I hope that you like my New Year's outfit of the night.